right, so I'm from Perhaps. We let people personalize their web experiences. So I'm going to go ahead and generate some software here on top of Product Hunt. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select the data on Product Hunt that I want to use as a basis for the software I'm going to generate. So I'm going to go ahead here, and I'm going to see the database suggestion that Perhaps is creating, sort of like the schema that we're going to need. And I can, you know, if I find something is missing, I can add it to this actual table. And then, you know, once I'm comfortable with the different sort of things that I want to extract, I can go ahead and press Save and Fill, and Perhaps is going to generate an extraction code that will pull the data from the underlying website, and even if the data on the underlying website changes, it should be able to extract it anyway.
And you entered products?
I entered, yeah. Product. It said product, product name, product description, product URL, and then the category, right? So it extracted it properly. I'm comfortable with that. And then I'm just going to click Done, and then I'm going to go on to this other card here where I can actually generate the UI. Can you hold this for me a second?
Yeah.
I'm going to ask it to create a chart with the top product categories. And then it will go ahead, thank you, and generate a front end for me, basically, for the database that was created. Then it might take a bit, but yeah, so there we go. Okay, and this isn't like a template that we made that pre-created. It's actual a React component that's being generated, so it's very flexible. You could ask it for, you know, for search filters or whatever you want. I'm gonna do like style of retro windows, just because it's fun. And yeah, while we wait, you can do more complex things. Say these are all my bookmarks from Twitter, and I find that I like to view them in a grid mode. So created that, and yeah, that's it for me.
Very cool.
Thanks.
Do you, oh yeah, so like we have a result.
Yeah, we got it.
These are top product categories. Artificial intelligence is at the top, then developer tools, design tools, productivity. Very cool. So you can sort of customize your view of a website.
Right, so you can create new layouts for sites that you want something different from, or you can use it to analyze data, like in this case, or just sort of like anything you want to build using a website that you like, that you're familiar with. Yeah, so it's like a generative web in a way.
Do you find people like sharing these apps on top of websites with each other?
Well, not yet. We don't have that feature built in. We're in beta, so anyone that wants to try, please go onto our website, getperhaps.com, and sign up. But definitely in the works. We like internally we do share stuff. Yeah.
Cool. What's the most unusual app you've seen people build?
I think I've seen people build stuff on top of their software admins, which is generally like quite clunky. So it's pretty cool that they're sort of like making it more streamlined. So yeah.
Very cool. Audience question.
Do you want to launch on Product Hunt?
Yeah, sure. Once we open up, you.
Number one hunter.
Okay.
Cool.
Awesome. Let's talk.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.